Guys, this is Katie with the channel Weather Spazify. Welcome if you're new, and a grand hello to my returning subscribers. I hope you all have been well. Today, I have decided to share with you an organic brownie mix that I found in the store and the process in which I'm making them a more vegetarian-friendly approach. So, I know this is kind of random, but healthy nutrition has been a big part of my spiritual journey too, to try to really work on increasing my frequency or my vibration so that I can really vibe high and have good vibes in my life. So I figured I'd share with you guys. I was called to do it, so I wanted to share. So I found a really cool organic brownie mix. It says Organic Chocolate Lovers Brownie Mix at Food Lion. Not that much more expensive than regular brands and a heck of a lot healthier. Now, the two ways to double check and make sure that a product is truly organic is to look for these two things right here, USDA organic and non-GMO verified. If it has both badges on it, then that's the best way. But if there's only one, that's okay too. But there's some companies, unfortunately, that are like using the word organic, but that don't have these two badges to verify if indeed they are following all the protocols that require one or a product to be organic. So long story short, I found these organic brownies and I was looking at the back. I was like, okay, what do I need to cook with it? And it said 2 eggs and a 1/3 cup of organic vegetable oil. Now, one alarm that hit me was, wait, vegetable oil? That's not very good. So I decided to do some research and decided to get some organic coconut cooking oil instead, because it's supposed to be a lot better for your heart, for your whole body health all around. And this is also non-GMO verified right here and USDA organic, so that's in check. And another thing is I saw that it said 2 eggs. So I was like, I remember back when I was a kid, my aunt supplemented applesauce in place of eggs. And I was like, I wonder if that's really like true. So I looked it up and yeah, it's true. A lot of people do it. So I'm like, okay, organic applesauce. And I decided to get the kind with cinnamon because I love cinnamon. I thought it would give it a unique taste. So it turns out one of these cups is exactly proportionate to 2 eggs approximately, because online it said, the source that I was reading, approximately 1/4 cup of applesauce for every egg you're replacing. And this calls for 2 eggs. So I said, okay, I'm going to pour this in the measuring cup to see. And it measured out to approximately 1/2 cup down there, which is exactly what we need. So I went ahead and put this all in here, all of this good stuff, and I'm going to mix it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys how it came out, if they taste good, and any extra tips or things that I learned personally. So this is part 2. Looks like right now, guys, that after whisking the mix, it's a lot smoother and was easier to whisk than using eggs and regular vegetable oil. I actually like this process better, the organic applesauce and this. And you want to know what's great about using applesauce in place of eggs? This just came to mind when I was whisking. I can lick the brownie batter and not worry about the whole like salmonella thing you can get from eggs, which I still don't know how common that is to actually get, sick from raw eggs and, batter, because I know a lot of people do that. But it just makes me feel a lot better to know that I can do this, try some batter, and not have to worry about all that. And right now, I have to say, oh my God, using applesauce with cinnamon in this in place of eggs tastes so good. The cinnamon adds an extra just delicious bit of flavor. And before I put these in, I wanted to show you guys another tip that I suggest is when you're cooking, in the bottom of the pan, if you need to use some spray, instead of using Crisco or any toxic cooking sprays, yeah, some of that stuff can be toxic. I recommend a cooking oil spray of some kind that uses coconut oil. So this might not be the best brand, but it is non-GMO verified right there, as you can see, eco-friendly, and I thought it would be a great way to grease the bottom of the pan before putting the brownies in. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you that, and then I will go ahead with part 3. Guys, it's been about 19 to 22 minutes, which is how long these brownies should be cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and check on them. And it looks like they're doing pretty well. Raised a good amount considering there was no eggs in there. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out using my oven mitt so I don't burn myself. And They look yummy. Look at that. They actually look, they came out really, really well. Consistency looks great. It looks like the coconut oil did a good job making sure it didn't stick. So going to let these cool and then cut them into pieces, try a little sample and let you know how they came out. So what I'm going to do is carefully cut some of these up right now into little pieces and have a little taste test. As soon as they cool down, they are kind of hot still, so I'll probably only be able to taste a little bit. What I'm going to do is cut them right here. I think I'm going to have, what is it, 9 brownies, 3 by 3. Yeah. Now, this isn't the best job of cutting, but holding the camera too, so it's a little hard. And I don't have a fancy cutter, I'm just using a regular knife. But yeah, they look really good, guys. I really hope that this inspires some of you guys to try some more organic recipes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try this little piece right here. Probably not on a knife though, because I might hurt my tongue. Let me see. I'm going to get a regular spoon. Let's see. Do I want a spoon or a fork? Usually people use forks with brownies, don't they? But I'm not like everybody else, so I'm going to use a spoon. These are kind of deformed. This one's good. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just try this little piece since they are kind of hot. Wow. Not too shabby. I would say these are really good. You can definitely taste the cinnamon. So if you're not a cinnamon fan, get the regular applesauce, regular organic applesauce. But other than that, it came out really good. Consistency, texture, not too moist, not too dry. Perfect. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get that knife out of there. It looks kind of sketchy, doesn't it? But yeah, there you have it. Organic brownies, what they look like when they come out, using, once again, organic cooking oil, some kind of spring alkaline water that does not have fluoride in it, and applesauce, organic applesauce instead of eggs. Mix all of that up and then you get, voila, more consciously, happily, not make any sense, more conscious, happy vibes, brownies, special brownies, let's call them special brownies with good high vibes in them. Obviously not with the other stuff, but good high vibe brownies, man. Yeah. Peace, love, and light, and the highest vibration to you all. Have a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.